Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. It's been a while. Been playing a lot of golf. Also been doing a lot of trading. Not doing much videoing. So anyway, wanted to do a quick video here on since the shutdown of my Forex funds and my accounts are no longer tradable, I've had to move on. So basically, I'm gonna briefly discuss what I've done and what I'm currently doing to move on. Um, First and foremost is I really upped my game on my journaling efforts, and I've really started using the Notion app quite extensively now. And I just wanted to mention that I did come up with another version. It's kind of funny because you just start, right? You just start putting stuff in there, and eventually you start seeking out other ways other people are setting up their templates and things like that. So you get ideas, and it's just constantly evolving. But essentially, I started with just something really basic right here. This design here, where I just kind of listed things out, and kind of put an example of what I should be looking for, and then I actually did my journaling effort. So just as a good example here, you can see I did the whole week for phase one evaluation, and just journal it. I was really consistent with it, and I'm sticking with it. So with that said, I started another Notion template basically because I'm starting an evaluation phase two this week. So I wanted to up my game a little bit on the Notion app. So that's what I came up with. Basically, I have a excuse me, I have a trading plan which just kind of, you know, just goes over the general idea of what I'm doing, the some of the indicators I'm using, so forth. Kind of like, what it might look like, and just explain things. Um, it may seem kind of silly because because why am I putting this for myself? Well, the reason why is because it's so easy to change your things around, if you will. So you change your strategy, you start strategy hopping. This kind of keeps you grounded. If you document what is working for you, and you kind of leave that a little bit, it's easy to just go back and look at the basics and say, okay, you know what, I may need to just take a break and go back to the basics and what was working before, let's try that again. So that's why I did this here. And pretty simple, just a simple checklist, kind of a screenshot of what the chart should look like, what I should be looking for, that type of thing. And then I've set up a new journal now. It's different look from the previous version I had last week. It's more of a spreadsheet type of thing. So I just kind of my eyes. Typically, I work on spreadsheets every day, so I like the way that you do entries in here. But also, it's expandable, so I can actually add in pictures and screenshots and things. So I really like this template. Um, anyway, that's it for the Notion. I'll probably do some more updates during the week, just to kind of show how things have progressed. As far as what I have been doing as far as trading goes, I joined a new prop firm called the Funded Engineer. They're relatively new. I think they opened in April of this year. And they're based in Dubai, UAE. So I have my reasons for joining this firm. I will say they've been very good so far. It's a smaller firm, but their support is really good. Anyway, you can see here I had my standard phase one, which I passed last week. So it's a 25K standard evaluation account. They offer multiple account types. I just went for the standard two-step evaluation. It's very similar to how my Forex Funds was structured. Anyway, yeah, I had just basically started slow Monday and Tuesday, just kind of dabbled. I didn't really go crazy with my risk. I didn't really go crazy with my risk in general last week. I just kind of had a couple of really banner days. So Wednesday and Thursday, I scaled into a couple different positions that worked out really well. So that kind of what allowed me to pass with a pretty decent win rate of 85%. The R value, these stats got to be careful because, you may exit trades early. I don't necessarily, I'm pretty discretionary, so I don't necessarily let trades run, pass or fail, or stop loss or take profit. I use my brain. If I see something that's, I'm in profit and it's starting to weaken, I exit the position in profit. I'm not, I don't know, man. It just seems logical to me to do that. I don't know why people are so hardcore into just, it either wins or it doesn't. I don't know about that. Anyway, do what you do, I guess. But for me, I'm very discretionary. Anyway, yeah, the first challenge went really smoothly. I had no issues. I do still maintain my spreadsheet here. Actually, I started a new one. Let's open up for phase one. This was phase one. Basically the same stats. Again, I only placed looks like 21 trades, which is really good for a week for me. Um, the the biggest stat I continue to monitor is my drawdown per trade. I really love this chart because it really depicts kind of where trades went, and I just like it um, because it keeps me honest to my risk profile. But anyway, back to the funded engineer. I started phase two. I got the phase two account. You can see here there's it says it's breached. That's because this was my original phase two, but I switched brokers. So that's the big difference between this and my Forex funds. My Forex funds, they were their own broker, or it wasn't even really a broker, it was their own server. Here, you actually get to choose the brokers. There's multiple options to choose from. They have Purple, Think Markets just came online, and then Blueberry is another broker. Originally, I had Blueberry, and it was kind of iffy. Plus, they're dropping Blueberry eventually. So anyway, long story short, I just put in a request to their Discord, say, hey, change me over to Purple broker MT4, and that's why this one is breached because they kill that account and start a new one. So you can see here, fresh, $25,000 balance has not been traded yet. And that's what I'm doing this coming week. Anyway, that's all. So basically, I really wanted to come on here and just kind of encourage you to really pick up your game on your journaling. It's been really good. I had a good experience last week, and I'm glad I did the journal every day. Kind of keeps you in the game, your mind in the headspace, because here's what happens with me. Over trading is a real thing, and if you're in front of the chart, it's really easy to place trades when you shouldn't be. So what I've done lately is I've just stuck to these idea of a kill zone time where I'm only trading during certain times, and that's specific times in the Tokyo session, specific times in London and New York. Anything outside that, I should be trading. I should be journaling. I should be updating my spreadsheet. I should be doing screenshots and all that good stuff. So anyway, hopefully you're all doing well and have a great week. Take care, everyone.